We are almost getting ready. Just there's some things I need to check. Audio is working perfect. I just had to go to the control panel, but the audio is working. Let's launch PowerPoint. Have to still activate that Microsoft Office 2013, but I still did not activate it. It's not coming. Let's enter our presentation. And yeah, I have 1 day left to activate. Let's start our presentation. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Microsoft Certification 7680 training course. Of course, today we will be studying about the Windows 7 clean installation. This is video number 3, and yeah. So this is of course 7680, and we will be configuring Microsoft Windows 7, and we are in this first section installing, upgrading, and migrating to Windows 7, which is 14%. For here we will be performing a clean installation. What is a clean installation? Well, a clean installation basically if you have bought a new computer and there is in the hard drive there is no operating system, you are dual installing or migrating, you are upgrading your operating system, and that's what a clean installation is. That, for example, if your new computer comes out, you bought a new computer and you have to get a new operating system, as the operating system is already built into your computer, but you have to configure that. So how many sources? As of course in the last video we already studied about the sources. If you want to check that out, go to my channel and you'll get the Windows 7 installation sources. Of course there are some audio issues, but anyway that will be figured out later. So you can boot from one of these installation sources and go. That means you can boot from DVD-ROM, USB storage or hard drive, network share, and WDS, Windows Deployment Services, and which we will be studying about later. How many installation types? Now, number one, there is a standard installation, as you get question and answers during the installation process. Now, the second type is the unattended installation. That means if you are working in a really big environment and you won't have to just go around and of course answer questions, as you want to install Windows 7 on 100 or thousands of computers. Well, answers, however, are in an unattended installation, and they are used when not booting from installation media. And autoattend.xml can also have answers, but it does contain destructive information, abbreviated as info, that is disk partitioning. Now it is used in conjunction with boot media. As of course when you get installation, your first installation screen, you have to select the language and your time and currency input method, and of course your keyboard input method, and you press next. The install Windows screen. So over here you may press the install now button over here, right here it is. You can press that, or you want to know something before installing Windows, what Windows actually is. If you are from a Mac OS user turning into a Windows user, you may have to figure out. And there's also one more option: repair your computer. Well, basically this is, well, of course, if your computer needs repairs, there is a nice recovery toolkit, as it can revert you back to your, I think, old versions. And it can repair your computer, and you can come back here for installing your, of course, Windows 7. Terms and conditions screen. Well, of course, you have to check mark the accepted terms. You may read the whole, of course, Windows license terms. And yeah, you just have to press the I accept the license term and press next, and you're ready to go. Now, which type of installation? Wait a minute. Which type of installation? Now, there are two types of installations. You can upgrade by using, of course, Windows Anytime Upgrade, which is only in Windows Vista, Windows 7, and yeah, only Windows Vista and Windows 7. As from Windows Vista, you may press the upgrade button and you can upgrade to Windows 7. So you may upgrade your OS. I was about to say Apple's iOS. Or you may use the custom option. I mean, that means that you're just installing from a new computer and you're not just, of course, upgrading it. Which hard drive? Of course, now this screen will, over here, which my cursor is pointing at right here. This screen will ask you which hard drive to use to install Windows 7. Now, however, in every computer that comes disk 0 unallocated space. This also comes in Oracle VM VirtualBox. You get about a 20 gig hard drive if installing the 64-bit. If you want to install a 32-bit, you need a 16 gigabyte hard drive. The installation section. This is boring, really boring. At this point, Windows is going to install all the files and copy all the files. And this part is extremely boring. It will take about a half hour or a whole hour to install all the files. And you may keep this part of the time busy. You can make a sandwich, you can make a drink, you can go for a bike ride. You can, of course, do the groceries. This will take you forever, obviously. The main part of the installation now starts. Now over here you need to type your username. For example, my name is Sari Mehboob. I'll just type in my own name and my PC name, as you know, any PC you need, like somehow as HP, Toshiba, Acer. The password screen. Over here you will set your password and reconfirm password and your password hit. The product key screen. Now, the product key screen sometimes, of course, enters, but however, some people have the CD copy. If you get a copy of Windows 7 instead of getting the box of Windows 7, you may install the product key along with that Windows 7 version. However, this version must be probably from Microsoft. If you buy a Windows 7 box from Microsoft, Microsoft would have provided you the product key at the top of the box. So you may type in your product key, of course, and yeah, your Windows will be activated. Computer protection screen. However, this screen it will tell you how will you protect your computer and improve Windows automatically. You can use recommended settings, or you can install important updates only, or you can ask me later. Well, it is, however, recommended to use the all settings, just in case if your computer suffers from a virus, and the Windows can't obviously remove the virus easily. Do not press ask me later. This can result into big problems. The internet connection screen. Over here, you have to choose your internet connection. Where will you connect your network? It can be on a home, it can be on work, or it can be on a public network. Well, I recommend using the home network as it is more private and more safe as compared to the public networks from as coffee shops or workshops and something like that. But you should not use that, as someone can access your computer somehow. I don't exactly know, but anyway. Installation finished. Yes, you are now at the desktop. Of course, I did not copy the taskbar. I just copied the Well, however, I did this by Oracle VirtualBox. I did not have to install the whole Windows 7. I just copied the installation screen and I just did it. I just copied this all from Oracle VirtualBox. As you can see, this is the 32-bit version of Windows 7 Professional, and of course, there are installation updates. I mean, installing. Of course, there's no summary, as you have got everything. You got everything through that presentation. Of course, this was a really tiny presentation as compared to other presentations I made. And yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you also understood or you need some tips, you may, of course, consult me in the comment section. Please also subscribe to my channel and visit my website, which I will be mentioning it in the description below. See you later. Wait. Yeah. So I shall see you later.